If you find yourself logged out of your WhatsApp account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. If you are already logged out, you will see the login screen. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password option. Tap on it to initiate the process of resetting your login credentials. Step 3. Verify your phone number. Enter the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Input this code to confirm your identity. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. After verifying your phone number, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. This may involve creating a new password or answering security questions. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the login screen. Enter your phone number and the new password to access your WhatsApp account. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your login credentials and regain access to your WhatsApp account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to WhatsApp support for further assistance.